Hello everyone, I am introducing some of the basics of the Google Form for preparation of the quiz for students. So for that you will require Chrome. In Chrome tab you type Google Forms. Click on the Google Forms. Now this window will open. From this window click on go to Google Forms on the personal menu. Now you will require Gmail account. So sign in into your Gmail account. Now you can see on the upper part the template gallery it is present, and in the lower side some recent forms which have been created by me, they are present. So for creating a new form, just click on the plus sign in a start a new form. Now this form will open. Now in this form you are going to fill all the details and the questions also. So first of all, in the upper part you can type BSc first, your subject and paper number also you can add. You can also add the name of the topic and so on. In the lower side you can add your name, department and name of the college. Now this will be your title of the form. Now I will introduce about some other important tools which is required. So here this is a plus sign which adds the question. This is the import question. This it is for adding title and description. You can add an image, you can add video, and you can add the section. On the upper corner you can see you can customize the theme by using this tab. You can preview. So when you complete your form, you can preview your quiz, the setting, send, and more options they are also available here. Now click on the settings. Now click on the checkbox collect email addresses. Now click on the quizzes. In the quizzes select make this quiz. Here I have selected the release grade immediately after each submission. You can save this setting. Now you can see the email address with a red colored star is appeared here. So this means that this is a required field. So when any student wants to fill this form, he has to fill all the details which are marked with the red colored star. So these are the required fields. So further I will add some initial information which has to be filled by the student. So I will add here the first part, that is the full name of the student. Now this is a short answer, and as this is a required field, you can click required. There is no need to assign the points. Then I will add another field, name of the college. Now here again this is a required field, so I will add the required field selected. You can see the required fields, they are marked with the red colored star. I will add another field, mobile number. Remove all these parts. This is also required field, mobile number. Then I will add the roll number. So this is also required. So you can customize this information as per your convenience. You can also change the sequence. For example, suppose I want to change the sequence of the roll number on upper side. You can drag the roll number on the upper side. In this way I have changed the sequence. Now I will add questions one by one. Now here I will add the first question. I will add first option, second option, and fourth option. So these are my four options, and I am going to give this question under the multiple choice. So you can select the type of question here by clicking this. You can select short answer, you can give essay type question, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file upload, and so on. All the options are there. So I have given the multiple choice question. Now we have to add the answer key, and you have to assign the points. This is very important. So I have given this question for 1 point, that is 1 mark, and I have selected the answer. I have selected this answer. Now this answer will be visible only to you, not it will be not visible to the students. Then click to on the done. Now your first question will be ready. Here I have not selected the required tab. I will add another question. This is my second question. I will add options. These are my 4 options. I will add the answer key. So I will add the points, 1 mark. I will select the answer. Done. Then I will add another question. I will add first option. Recycle. So here I will also select, I will add the point, I will select the answer. In this way I have added 3 questions. Now you can see on the upper side, as there are 3 questions, there are total 3 points. So in this way you can add the questions here by using this tab. You can also add image by clicking on this. If image it is present on our system, you can add that image by using this menu. You can add here also, you can add video also here. So in this way I have created this quiz. Now after completion of your quiz, you can preview. So here you just click and see the preview. How is your quiz? You can see all the required fields are here, and these are the questions, 3 questions, each for 1 point. So this will be preview. Now when your quiz is ready, you can click on the send button, and initially you send this quiz to your own email. So I have added my email account. Then another important is to get the link for this form. So click on the second tab here. So you can see the link is created for this form, but this link it is very long. So when you click on the checkbox, that is the shorten URL, your link will be shortener. Now you can copy this link and you can paste in your Word file, or you can copy this link on your mobile and send to the students on the WhatsApp group. So again click back on the mail I have added previously, my email, and click on the send. Now this form I have sent on my email. Now I will open my email. You can see here, this is the mail I have received, and here you can see, you can, or the student who is receiving this form by email, he can fill the form by using this option, or if you are sending on the WhatsApp, then he can fill by opening the URL. You can also copy the link by in this way. You can see save link as or copy link address. On the mobile you can also copy this link and you can send to the WhatsApp group. Now you can see there are no responses. I will click this. You can see there are 0 responses are there because no student has filled this form, and you can see waiting for one response because I have sent this on my email. So just I will fill now this quiz. So I will fill all the details here, name of the college, roll number, mobile number, and I will select the options. And I will submit. You can see I have submitted the quiz. I can view, or the student who is filling, he can view the score. You can see I have secured 3 out of 3, and these are the correct answers. Now I will go through my form. Here you can see now there is one response, you can see. So in the summary section you will find how many students they are responded. In this way, when your quiz will be ready, you can send by using the send option, create a link, copy it and send it to the students. Hope this information will be useful for you. Thank you.